46-year-old Aaron James of Arkansas is the first person in the world to receive a whole eye transplant. James was severely injured in a high-voltage electrical accident in 2021, losing half of his face, an eye, and part of his dominant arm. This year, in a first-of-its-kind 21-hour surgery at NYU Langone Hospital, he received a partial face transplant and a complete left eye from a single donor.
I'm going to give you this mirror, and then you're going to turn it around, go ahead and start flipping it. And we're going to hold it up and see what you think. Welcome to the new world.
James says he is grateful beyond words to the donor family.
Without them, none of this could have been possible. I have the utmost respect for them to be able to make this decision to help people that they don't know.
It's not certain yet whether James will regain sight in the new eye, but surgeons who performed the breakthrough transplant are hopeful.
The quality of the face transplant is remarkable. The mere fact that the eye was transplanted, it is healthy, that it's maintaining its pressure, that there is messaging at the retina, and there's possible messaging at the brain. I think we should cherish that moment. And now we're going to see what happens in the future.
Dr. Rodriguez says James's decision to undergo eye transplant was selfless.
We're connecting the optic nerve, proximity to the brain. He could develop severe brain infections and he could have died. But he always thought about how he could help out mankind, which is remarkable.
James can't open his new eye yet, but is beginning to squint. He knows he has a long road of recovery ahead, but says the transplant is already life-changing.
Since the transplant, I tell people I can't walk past a mirror without looking at it. So, it's made me stand up taller.